so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Oh. Okay, next product. Hey guys, what is up? I'm here with another video a while later, and yeah, you know what I'm doing. I'm making a gun range. Yeah, not actual guns. I got this rubber band gun. Of course, it's already locked and loaded, and we got the scope on it. Looks pretty cool. Look at this. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I might leave a link in the description so you can get it if you want. Okay, well, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I got all my rope to attach it, and I'm recording on my iPad because my GoPro footage will not convert to my iPad. So I'm just going to use my iPad today and for a little bit until I get that figured out. Gun range. Guess I better go inside. Hello. Well, hello there, sir. I would like to do the gun range. I think it is that way. And I would also like to rent one of your hunting rifles. It'll be $10 there, sir. Oh my, that is a lot. Let me just get my wallet here. My wallet. Crap, I forgot my wallet. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta just go home and get my wallet. Okay, sir, I am back. Got my wallet. And dang, that's your wallet? It's kind of big. This is a wallet. Yeah, it may not look like it, but yep. Okay, here's your $10. I also need your ID. Oh, you need my ID? There you go. What is going on with your jacket? Why are you talking about my outfit? This is style. Well, back in my day, this was style. Be nice, young man. Okay, well, here's your ticket, sir. Have a good day at the range. Now I'm gonna shoot my rubber band gun. So this has 8 rubber bands in it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put a link in the description so you can buy one. But yeah, guys, if you haven't already, you've seen I made a target. It's not perfect, but there's my target, and here's the little range. If you didn't tell by the montage. I know it doesn't look very cool, guys. I'm sorry, all I have is cardboard. Well, that's obviously the whole point of this. Cardboard gun range. So now I'm gonna shoot the gun and see how it works. Okay, guys, I'm back here about 7 feet away from you guys, the camera, which is on the wall right there, which is where the target is. Okay, guys, so we have 8 rubber bands in this, and I'm just gonna shoot it. I get it right at you guys. Oh, that was fast. We gotta get a slow-mo on all of this, because I can't even see how fast that's going. That's how fast it is, guys. And now I'm gonna shoot above you. Try to get a bullseye. Oh, almost. Oh, I got a bullseye, guys. This again. Shoot this. Shoot it that way this time so you can kind of see it. Whoa. Guys, this goes super fast. These things are really fun to play with. Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot it like again. That's super fast. And I can put like 11 rounds in this thing. That was only, I think I said 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 9 in that, guys. This can go up to 11, but you can barely shoot it when it's at 11. So yeah, guys, that's probably gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. That was really fun to make. And I might do a 24-hour challenge in this where I have to make a bunch of targets. I might make a bunch of targets. I might make them like up here on the wall, up there, like a messy, right there. Interesting. Can't point right there. Yes, right there. Messy. Okay, you get the point, guys. I might do a 24-hour challenge in here. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. But yeah, other than that, I'm out. Peace.